Come on, it's starting. It needs batteries. I couldn't find any yesterday. Responsible adults, responsible adults.
Okay, what is it you need this time?
Footy's starting, and we've got a battery crisis.
You'd be lucky. I might have to check in the drawer where the batteries are kept. But you might have to take them from something else. Yes, nothing in here. Nothing in the drawer. You might have to take them from the smoke alarm.
Yeah, as much as we want to watch the match, I'd like to wake up unsmoked in the morning.
There you go, boys. Food sorted.
Nice, where'd you find it?
That other alarm thing in the utility.
You mean the carbon monoxide alarm?
I think so. It might be.
Are you gonna tell her or am I?
Carbon monoxide is colourless, odourless, non-irritating. You won't even know it's there until it's too late. Always check and maintain your carbon monoxide alarms.